Have you considered using short texts from social media in your reading lessons? What about bringing in an Instagram post and asking some narrow questions about it?
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL teaching tips.
I'd actually argue that this is a bit of a myth in English language teaching. I'll often hear teachers saying, oh, the reason that my learners are bad at reading is because they don't read anymore. And I would argue that, well, okay, they don't read books. It's a great book. I like reading books. And I hope that at some stage in their lives, my learners will discover a love for it too. But right now, they're reading things on their phones. Right? They've got Instagram posts and TikTok and Threads and Twitter. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with learners reading the different style of text to me. That's okay. But as a teacher, I need to be bringing the type of texts and the type of topics that my learners are interested in into my class. So have you considered using short texts from social media in your reading lessons? What about bringing in an Instagram post and asking some narrow questions about it? Questions like how, what, why, who. Those types of questions can help learners to extract meaning from any text. And you might find that if you're bringing in the type of things that your learners read outside of class into your class, they will see reading as not some stuffy, boring exercise in class, but as something that they do, they're interested in, and they can do. You might find that it helps your learners develop more of an interest in reading in the first place. Take this a step further and make it collaborative. You can create a Padlet page and encourage learners to go off and find their own texts, their own Instagram posts or comments or threads, share them on the Padlet along with 3 or 4 narrow questions that their classmates can then go on and answer themselves. Again, you're making it more learner-centered and you're making it more about the type of things that your learners read. Reading is difficult because we are not helping learners develop those reading skills. It's not because they don't read anymore. But what about you? What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with this? And what are your learners reading in their lives? Is it social media or is it other text types? Leave a comment below and join the conversation. Please like this video and consider sharing it with another teacher or a colleague who you think might be interested.